Welcome to Interior Designs YouTube channel. Innovative wall clock designs have the power to transform your home decor, adding both style and functionality to your living spaces. These timepieces go beyond mere timekeeping, becoming artful essence that capture your unique aesthetics, from minimalist and sleek designs that complement modern interiors to vintage inspired creation that evoke a sense of nostalgia. There is a wide range to choose from. Contemporary materials like acrylic, metal, and glass allow for creative and eye-catching clock designs, while modern and rustic options provide a warmth and timeless charm. Some clocks incorporate unconventional elements such as LED lights, kinetic movements, or geometric shapes, making them not only time tellers but also conversation pieces. The beauty of this innovative design lies in their ability to seamlessly blend into various rooms, from the living room to the bedroom and even the kitchen. Elevate your home decor with a wall clock that mirrors your personality and enhances the ambience of your living spaces. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.